Hello guys, welcome to this video. Very interesting question is on the screen and this is the statement and these are the answers. So if you can solve, then pause a video for a moment and solve and judge the answer from these four numbers. And statement is, find the number which when multiplied by 15 is increased by 196. So these are some parts of these questions and how to make the statement of this question. So find the number starting, let that number is x. This is the number, and now focus on this number. Try to solve according to the given statement. This is a number when multiplied by 15. So the next step is, this is first step, and this is multiply this number. Multiply this number by 15. So 15 multiply with x. Okay, x. And after that, the number increased by 196. So when there is increment, then the number is added to this number. How? Like this, 19x plus 196. So this is increase. This is a number and it is increased by 196 as mentioned in the question. This is the second part where number multiplied with 15. So this is a number. Now this is the information which is given in the question. Now writing in a mathematical way, how 15x is equal to x plus 196. Again I am reading this question. Find the number which when multiplied by 15 is increased by 196. Is increased by means to say x plus 196. So now subtracting x on both sides. This is x plus 196. Now subtracting x on both sides, you have x, this cancel. This is 14x. This is 14x. When you form the equation, then question become very simple. 196. Now dividing on both sides with 14, because we have to find the answer of x, that is the number 14 divided by 14. So 14 will be cut off with this. X is equal to what? Find the result. 14 ones are 14. 14 ones are 14. 5 is here. Now you can multiply with 14. 14 fours are 56. This is a number 14. The answer is C. C is the correct answer of this statement. So this is the answer. And whenever you are given these kind of statement, you can find the answer in this way. Just break the statement into different parts and after that apply mathematically and find the answer.